Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm outside of Our Lady Queen of Angels Catholic School here in Newport Beach, California, and this is my third time coming to the school. Just another great day getting to share my heart with the students and staff. Today's focus, we've talked about bullying and leadership in years past, but the focus today was all about positivity, right? Being your best self, that we need to maintain a positive attitude in every area of our lives with everyone in our lives, right? Our parents, teachers, coaches, classmates, etc. But also be able to have that positivity still shining even when the sun isn't, right? It's easy to be positive and have that positive attitude when things are going well in our life and things are great outside, of course, like it is today. Beautiful day outside. But when things aren't the best, then we need to really kind of look within and, dig within in our hearts and, find our faith and be able to reach out to God, Jesus, who's extending his hand to us, be able to receive that type of love and kindness, right? He's waiting for us to, make that commitment to him and knowing that if we need help, it's okay to ask for help, right? That's part of doing our best and being the best version of who we can be. That's why I also wear this shirt. It says, keep your head up, upside down on purpose, because if we look down or are feeling sad or, just kind of have something going on in our heart, that we're still able to keep this positivity, keep that positive nature in our lives, right? That the opportunities, the challenges, that we're going to face, they can hopefully make us stronger, right? Like we talked about with the story of the butterfly, and that it needs every second in that cocoon, in that chrysalis, to finally become the beautiful creation that God has intended all of us to be. Like in Romans 12:2, it says, don't conform to the pattern of this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind. And part of being your best self, right, doing your best, is also talking kindly to ourselves, right, being kind to our mind. And the person we're going to talk to the most in our life is ourself, and we need to be telling it something positive, right? Because human beings, naturally, sometimes we like to kind of focus more on the negative than the positive. And creatures of habit, we might do that every day, where that negative record just keeps playing and playing and playing, unless we choose to consciously break that, form a new habit and focus on how beautiful each one of us are, right? So that also ties into our worth and our value. In Isaiah 49, God said, I've engraved you on the palm of my hands, and the proof is right here. I share this in all my assemblies, all my presentations, but we all have the letter M with the lines on our hand etched on our palm. That M, I say, right, sometimes a faint line connects it, but that M stands for miracle, upside down W for worthy, that we're beautiful miracles, worthy of love, to both give it and receive it, that Jesus doesn't make mistakes. We are all children of God, as it says in John, and we have to really buy into that, because we need to be that light for this world, right? In Matthew 5, Jesus says, don't let that light be hidden. Put it on a hill, get it out there, help others around us, serve one another. Like in 1 Peter, we all have gifts, right? From God's great variety of spiritual gifts. We have to use them to serve one another and be that light, be that change, share our hearts. And the students really got that today, right? Through a series of heartfelt stories, some positive upbeat music, some different motivational exercises and experiential ones too, some tangible props. That's what I really tried to convey and hit them at every sensory level. And so for those pin drop moments that the parents got to take some of that in, the adults, the staff, and the youth, I know that some hearts were changed, right? And the Holy Spirit was at work, and it was just a beautiful thing. Talking about this very important message, right? That we need more positivity in this world, and it starts with each of us, choosing to give a little bit more, right? We have the effort, God has the outcome, but if we plant positive thoughts, plant great seeds, like we also spoke about, then we're gonna get the results that we want, that we're gonna also get the outcome that we want, and that's according to God's will. So thank you so much for touching my heart. You guys are beautiful. Have a great rest of the school year. Hope to see you again soon. Until then, though, and as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button. You'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist for some additional motivation. And you can also visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.